The Mustang brand is associated with performance and power, but the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E lives up to its expectations and adds its own electric twist. The GT and Rally are the fastest variants, with 480 horsepower and a 60 miles per hour time of less than 4.0 seconds. That is faster than the V8 powered variants of the actual Mustang muscle vehicle. The Mach-E also excels as an EV, with a maximum driving range of 320 miles in its most economical configuration, the single-motor rear-wheel drive model with the bigger extended battery pack. The inside is well equipped with convenience amenities and modern technological features, and it is large enough to accommodate 4 adults and their luggage. If you need more storage space, there's a decent-sized front trunk that can also double as a cooler for food and beverages if you're tailgating or camping. Ford has reduced the price of all Mustang Mach-E variants this year. All Mach-E models now get a new heat pump to assist warm the cabin and increase performance in cold weather, while versions equipped with Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving mode gain new capabilities including automatic lane changes. A new sport appearance option is now available for the premium trim, making it look more like the more expensive GT model. The infotainment system has also been updated, and cars with the connectivity package now include a 5G-powered Wi-Fi hotspot, more apps, including YouTube, and improved navigation capabilities. The options sheet now includes 3 new colors, Molten Magenta Metallic, Velocity Blue Metallic, and Desert Sand, as well as 3 new wheel designs. The pricing of the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E ranges from $38,490 to $57,990, depending on specification and additional features. We believe the premium model is the Mach-E to purchase. This trim offers some significant luxuries above the less-priced standard trim. Ford claims the premium has a driving range of 320 miles when equipped with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive, but we choose for the all-wheel drive version, which reduces the estimated range to 290. The Mustang Mach-E comes with either a standard range 70.0 kWh battery or an extended range 91.0 kWh pack. These power a single electric motor in RWD Select and Premium models, or 2 motors on each axle in AWD versions of all 4 classes. The most powerful GT and GT Performance variants, which only come with AWD, combine to create 480 horsepower and up to 634 pound-feet of torque, with the GT Performance and Mach-E Rally models pushing torque to a stunning 700 pound-feet. Less powerful rear-wheel drive variants generate 266 or 290 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The AWD Select and Premium grades generate 266 to 346 horsepower and 427 to 428 lb-ft of torque. When we previously tested the Mach-E, an extended-range AWD model, we found that the Ford was faster and more engaging than most of its competitors. Aside from the many power levels available, we believe that shoppers will love the Mach-E's feature set, quiet operation, and smooth ride. The EPA estimates that the total range for the lineup covers from 250 to 320 miles per charge, depending on the battery pack size and number of electric motors. This isn't as spectacular as Tesla's longest range models, but it's comparable to range figures for crossovers from other big manufacturers. Every Mach-E has rapid charging capability, and the included mobile home charging station, when plugged into a 120-volt household outlet, adds up to 30 miles of range per night, according to Ford. When plugged into a 240-volt outlet, the mobile unit can recharge up to 80% of its battery capacity overnight. Ford also sells a more powerful home charging station that must be installed by a licensed electrician. When connected to that device, the Mach-E's battery can add up to 28 miles of range for every hour of charging. The EPA values the Mustang Mach-E at up to 110 mpg in the city and 96 mpg on the highway, but only for the rear-wheel drive base model. The most efficient GT performance variant is the least efficient, with ratings of 90 mpg city and 77 mpg highway. The Mustang Mach-E's battery is wedged between the interior floor and the car's bottom, providing plenty of room for passengers and luggage. The sleek dashboard features an appealing digital gauge cluster and is dominated by a large, vertically orientated touchscreen. The storage space behind the floating flip-up armrest between the front seat passengers is large enough to hold a handbag. The load bay behind the rear seats has 29 cubic feet of cargo space and can expand to 60 cubic feet when the back seats are folded. A list of stylish standard and optional amenities includes customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, and a hard plastic-lined front trunk that can be used as a cooler before being cleaned and drained. Ford's next-generation Sync infotainment system uses machine intelligence to completely personalize each driver's experience. Currently, it can support 3 driver profiles and 1 guest. The Mustang Mach-E runs the software on a 15.5-inch touchscreen that is vertically placed and provides convenient access to the system's programs and functionality. One advantage of the system is that Ford will release over-the-air upgrades over time, continuously refining the system and adding new material. Top amenities include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and, depending on trim level, a Bang & Olufsen audio system.